Hi and welcome guys, this is Device Customizer. Today going to show you some useful camera apps that will really improve your picture quality of your camera. So I recommend these apps for you, you must try it. So let's begin with the Camera 360 app. This is one of the best camera app for Android. It is even listed as the one of the best top 100 technology products by PC World, and it is a heavy duty camera that requires a bit of learning before you can take some extraordinary shots. So you get a effects tab here where you can select a lot of effects, the SDR effects, that is which helps you to capture stunning photos and other effects like and other useful effects. And you also get the scene option here from where you can download a lot of scenes, so you can just see it. So this is one of the useful apps for your camera, so just try it. Now we have the retro camera, and this app will transfer your camera into a vintage. This is a high definition camera that takes you back to the 70s with advanced camera techniques. You can take delicious shots with it. You get 5 different camera options, each camera having a different special function. You can just read about that here, so just check it. You get the 70s look in this camera, you can just see it. And each of the camera options have different functions, so just check it. I recommend this app for you. Now we have the After Focus app. With After Focus you can create DSLR style high resolution backgrounds by simply selecting the area that you want to edit. So let me just show you. So you get a tutorial here, so just read it, and after you have read it you can just select the focus area that you want to focus on by just selecting it. So I want to focus this TV here, and then you can select the background area that you want to make blur. That's very easy. So just after you have done it, just hit the button here, and you can just blur the part that you want to blur by just increasing it here. You can just see that the effect, and you can also change the color of the background. So let me just show you. Here you can see that the background black and white. This app helps you to create natural and realistic photos, and it automatically recognizes the shaded part and applies the corresponding effect. So just give it a try. This app is very useful and helps to edit your photos, so just check it. And now on the list we have the Pro SDR camera. This is an SDR camera which will turn your camera into a DSLR camera. This will help you to create stunning full resolution SDR images with just a tap. So let me just show you by clicking a picture. It works by capturing images by highlights and another shades for the exposed shadows. So it may take a while to compute the image. So the image will be very high quality, and it will have much details than the ordinary camera. So just try. This app will automatically merge the images, giving you the impression of a true life SDR image. So just check this app. It's a must-have app, and it will improve your camera quality. So now we have the Camera Zoom FX. This app has a wide range of control and image enhancement tools. It has a professional looking user interface. Camera Zoom FX is provided with the powerful options and features like normal shot, stable shot, timer, voice activated, burst mode, colleague, and time lapse. And you get different editing options here, which can be used before and after the photo is captured. So let me just show you. Here you can see different vicinity. So that's a very useful feature, and after you have captured a photo you get much more options to edit the photos. So this app does the work of a photo editor too. Camera Zoom FX is a feature-rich camera experience worthy for the casual photographer. If you love taking pictures on the field, then don't leave home without the Camera Zoom FX, as it is one of the best applications available on the market today. So just give it a try. So that's all about the apps that will really help you to create stunning photos, full resolution photos. So just give those app a try.